Hello everyone, welcome to another really quick video. Today I will show you how to get access to Adobe Firefly. Now as you can see, we are on Adobe Firefly's website. So basically when you are on this website, what you will need to do is you will need to log in with your Adobe ID. Now once you log in with your Adobe ID, you actually need to request access for it. So click request access right here, and then as you can see right here, get excited for Firefly. At Adobe, we are excited about generative AI. In this beta, you'll get to try features, connect with our product team to ask questions, and shape the future of Firefly for everyone. So as you can see, you need to have an Adobe ID and be 18 or older to participate. So if you need an Adobe ID, you can create one. But before, obviously, if you already created one, then you can go here and you can fill out all this contact information. So make sure to provide a valid Adobe ID email address as well. You need to select the country, region, and also in the past 12 months, have you done any of the following activities? You need to check these activities right here. So you will just need to go through this entire page, just go next page, and then you will get to the basically end, and then that's pretty much it. They will either accept you on the spot, or you will need to wait some time until they accept you. But this is pretty much how you can get access to Adobe Firefly. Very simple, it's very easy. You can also join their Discord right here as well for more information. And yeah, thank you guys for watching. I hope this video is informational, and we will see you in the next video.